Hoistline Tiny House Co., an Australian company renowned for its craftsmanship and commitment to sustainability, specializes in designing and manufacturing high-quality tiny houses. They offer customizable models like the Chipper, Luna, Settler, and Grand House, catering to diverse needs. The Settler model, for instance, combines mobility with the comfort of a full-sized home, featuring a bedroom, living room, kitchen, and bathroom within a 29.5 by 8.2 foot footprint. Built on durable, road-registrable trailers with termite-resistant timber frames and ColorBond cladding, these houses are equipped with modern amenities, including full-sized appliances, solar power, and composting toilets. Häuslein emphasizes both aesthetic beauty and practicality, offering options for custom furniture, air conditioning, and outdoor features. They even provide a try-before-you-buy experience in a Guna model, with a standard build time of up to 15 weeks and a starting price of $146,000 including GST for the Settler model. Häuslein ensures a seamless transition into tiny house living. The Overland Base Camp Solo is a versatile all-season tent designed for adventurers and overlanders, measuring 6 feet 8 inches by 6 feet 8 inches with an interior height of 6 feet 6 inches. It sets up in just a minute and packs down to a compact 4 feet 6 inches while weighing only 30 pounds, making it easy to transport. Key features include triple-layer insulation for temperature control, water and wind resistance, a detachable floor for easy cleaning, and wire management for lighting. The tent is designed with multi-purpose wall ports for heaters or AC units, reinforced corners, a thick floor, high-quality YKK zippers, bug mesh doors, and removable window panels. An optional weather pack includes a rainfly and footprint for extra protection. Available in black, gray, or green, the Base Camp Solo offers 40.25 square feet of interior space and is priced between $719 and $1,100.64, currently available for pre-order with an estimated arrival time of 8 to 12 weeks. The UK's LANDPOD offers versatile off-grid cabins, perfect for expanding options at campsites, holiday parks, hotels, or gardens. These cabins, delivered flat-packed for easy installation, feature a modular structure for easy part replacement, and are designed for longevity with a thermally insulated roof and double-glazed windows. The canvas is low maintenance and resistant to environmental damage, with optional bug-free netting and heating options available via bioethanol or electric heaters, though electric heating may require planning permission. Waterproof due to a durable PVC cover, LANDPODs can be moved with a specialized transporter or forklift. Models like the Eden Lodge, Woodland Lodge, Cozy Cocoon, Dining Pod, Wet Pod, and Pet Pod offer adjustable legs and platforms for a comfortable off-the-ground experience. The Podfather, for instance, is a glamping pod ideal for sleepovers and garden adventures, accommodating 4 adults and 2 children with double and bunk beds, LED lights, and a lockable door. Priced around $9,000 or $11,700, it includes a thermal insulated roof, solar power hub, and optional timber roof upgrade. LANDPODs are maintenance-free, use FSC-certified wood, and are available worldwide, making them a minimal-impact, eco-friendly choice for various settings. The RC Motorhomes RC12M is a top-tier luxury motorhome, often dubbed a super yacht on wheels, measuring approximately 39 feet in length and weighing 26 tons. Built on a Volvo FH chassis with a 540 horsepower turbo diesel engine, it features 4 large slide-outs that expand the living space, creating a luxury apartment-like feel. A notable highlight is its spacious rear garage, which can accommodate a small car, and is equipped with an automatic door and winching system. The interior, crafted with high-end materials like carbon fiber and luxurious leather, includes a fully equipped kitchen, a spacious bathroom with an electric flush toilet, infinity sink, and a luxurious shower system, and a stateroom with a panoramic sliding sunroof. Technologically advanced, the RC12M boasts a 3 kilowatts inverter, large batteries, optional solar panels, and an onboard Wi-Fi system. The motorhome also features a luxury lounge with electric blinds and LED lighting, a stateroom with digital TV, a hydraulic step system, a 23-foot sun canopy, rear-wheel steering for easier maneuvering, and comprehensive electronic controls. Priced around $850,000, the RC12M epitomizes luxury, comfort, and functionality in the motorhome market. The Timbercraft Big Sky is a luxurious tiny home designed to offer a spacious living experience within a compact mobile structure. Built on a 41-foot trailer, it combines rustic charm with modern design, featuring horizontal metal siding, cedar accents, and a shed-style roof. Inside, the Big Sky is bright and inviting, with large windows, shiplap walls, and pine ceilings. The living area includes a large couch or convertible sofa bed, while the kitchen boasts modern appliances such as a 4-burner cooktop, oven, dishwasher, and a large refrigerator, complemented by a copper sink and wooden cabinetry. It maintains essential components of larger homes, including a fully equipped kitchen, a tiled bathroom with a vanity, and a heating/cooling system. The layout includes a ground floor bedroom with a king-size bed, a loft bedroom accessible via a storage-integrated staircase, and a bathroom with a glass-enclosed shower. With Timbercraft's towable tiny home starting at $14,000, the price per foot is comparable to or higher than that of a traditional foundation-built home. The Movable Roots 28-foot Ward tiny house is a versatile option for remote workers, retirees, and travel enthusiasts, offering a compact yet spacious living environment. Measuring 28 feet by 8 feet 6 inches, this tiny home provides over 300 square feet of living space, including a loft bedroom accessed via storage stairs. It features abundant custom cabinetry, highlighted by an L-shaped kitchen with 36-inch upper cabinets, barnwood open shelving with LED lighting, and quartz countertops extending into a bar seating area. The living room is designed to fit a specific couch model, adding a personalized touch, while a 33-square-foot closet area accommodates a small desk and customized shelving. The 30-square-foot bathroom includes an incinerator toilet, a 36x36-inch walk-in shower with subway tiles and a glass enclosure, and a custom vanity with an LED mirror. Movable Roots emphasizes quality with industry-leading materials, including a purpose-built trailer, a belly pan covering the undercarriage, and a choice of wood or steel framing. Additional features include WeatherLogic sheeting with taped seams, Advantix subfloor, and premium finishes. The Ward tiny house, along with other models like Adams, Bow, Cavan, Elmore, and Schult, is priced up to $24,000, reflecting a commitment to craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. The Laramie Stock Combo by SMC Trailers is an impressive horsebox designed for both livestock transport and luxurious living accommodations, priced around $90,000. The 2023 SMC Livestock Edition trailer features a 14-foot stock area with a full slat divider, plexiglass, heavy rubber mats, and a tack room with bridle hooks, blanket bars, brush trays, and adjustable saddle racks. The living quarters span 18 feet and include a 12-foot slide-out, smart TVs, dual AC units, and an entertainment bar, with solid hickory Amish-crafted cabinet doors, stainless steel kitchen and bath sinks, a Domestic RV fridge, microwave, porcelain toilet, and a skylight in the bathroom. Practical features include a 12K single-leg electric hydraulic jack, a mid-tack with a side ramp, a walk-through door, an LED-lit lippert awning, an enclosed hay pod with a custom ladder, and a generator rack. The trailer measures 38 feet in floor length, 8 feet in width, has a GVWR of 21,000 pounds with a gooseneck pull type, and includes a suburban gas furnace, hot water heater, 12V/USB charging stations, a mattress with bedspread, and dual 20 pounds liquid propane tanks. The Crawler OTAG 385 is designed for safer and more comfortable travels, making it ideal for expeditions with a starting price of approximately $150,000. This high-quality travel companion features a lightweight riveted aluminum structure for increased durability and reliable performance on long journeys. Accommodating up to 4 people, The OTAG 385 includes a spacious living area with a convertible dining section that transforms into a double bed, alongside a main bed with a pop-up roof measuring 78.7 by 63 inches. It is equipped with functional amenities such as a wide kitchen counter, a 3-burner stove, an oven, a bathroom, an expandable kitchen counter, and a 152-liter refrigerator. The interior boasts parquet flooring for a cozy atmosphere, while the aluminum body design offers extensive customization opportunities. The large viewing window in the sitting area enhances the camping experience, and technological features include USB ports, LED lighting, an ambient and water heater, a 24-inch smart TV, a smart panel, a 12V cigarette lighter socket, and a solar panel. With a cabinet length of 151.5 inches, a width of 92.5 inches, a height of 74.8 inches, and a weight of approximately 5,512 pounds, the OTAG 385 promises a comfortable and independent camping experience, capable of continuing the expedition where other vehicles might fall short. The 2022 Coachmen Sportscoach Road 402TS is a deluxe class of diesel motorhome renowned for its impressive size and luxury, measuring 41.1 feet in length. This motorhome features a cozy and expansive interior with 2 bathrooms, a walk-in closet, and a bedroom with an 80-inch bed, providing a high-end hotel ambience. The well-equipped kitchen is ideal for culinary enthusiasts, and standard amenities include a 50-inch LCD screen, a porcelain toilet, and both a washer and dryer. The driver and passenger seats are 6-position heated with 3-point seat belts for enhanced safety and comfort. Powered by a 360-horsepower Cummins diesel engine, the Sportscoach RD also includes solar panels and a backup diesel generator to keep all systems operational. With 100-gallon fuel tanks and 89 and 52-gallon freshwater and gray water capacities, respectively, this motorhome is perfect for both mobile office setups and family travel, offering home-like convenience and luxury on the road. Prices for this high-end Class A diesel motorhome typically range from approximately $250,000 to $350,000 or more. The Ford F-750 Dunkle Luxury Hauler 4x4 by Dunkle Industries is a colossal vehicle blending heavy-duty truck capabilities with luxurious RV features, ideal for outdoor and travel enthusiasts. Typically costing from $500,000 to over $1 million depending on customization, this massive rig measures approximately 32 feet long, 8.5 feet wide, and nearly 12 feet high. It boasts a large cargo bed that can carry a full-sized vehicle, motorcycles, or ATVs, with additional capacity for 2 ATVs on the roof, and a small SUV or mid-size car inside or in a trailer. Inside, it offers high-end amenities including a bathroom, kitchen, sleeping areas, and entertainment systems, suitable for extended trips or off-grid living. Powered by a 7.2L Caterpillar engine with a robust 4x4 drivetrain and reinforced suspension, it handles rough terrains while providing mobile home comforts. The hauler accommodates 6 people overnight and features air suspension, 3 winches, video cameras for full visibility, navigation, 2 TVs, a gas-powered kitchen refrigerator, toilet, shower, air conditioning, and an audio system. This blend of luxury and functionality makes the Dunkle Luxury Hauler one of the most versatile and opulent RVs available, offering a unique mobile lifestyle with ample space and comfort.